major bee problem. They're coming into my house through the vinyl siding over here. I don't know if I can get in there and zoom in, see if we see any bees. There's one up there. You see him? He's coming in from right over there. So what I'm gonna do is get this long stick contraption. Right here I got a long stick. I got a Dyson vacuum. I've removed the filter out of it. If you have a Dyson, you could do this, or this old model. I removed the filter out of it to make the suction like 3 times as more. Or just make sure that you clean your vacuum out really good. So they're crawling into my house. I'm gonna try to stick this up there so when they all come out to fight this thing that's invading or near their home, that they're all gonna get sucked up. Let's see what happens. And I got a clear canister that I just cleaned really as good as I could. So you could actually see the bees and what it catches. Let's see what happens. All taped up, showing you guys what I did. I got the suction thing over here, and I've got this 2x4 to the right because I want to put it up against that wall so it's closer to their entrance. Let's see what happens. I've got it all set up and turned on. Try to zoom in there and show you guys what's going on. And they keep trying to attack it. There's actually 2 entrances for this beehive, and one is right there and one is over there. And I've already got some bees. It's only been on for like less than a minute. You can see them spinning around in there. That is completely empty, so what you see spinning around in there is bees. I'll turn it off for you for a second and show you guys. Oh, must have went on the other side. Let me try that again. And we must have caught about 8 bees or so. Well, let's see what happens in a matter of time. I'll record again in about maybe like 5-10 minutes. As soon as the bee tries to go there and fight it off and see what happens, it's got sucked up. It's been maybe a few minutes and it already got about an extra 8 bees. And if we keep at this, what's going to happen is these bees won't be able to feed the babies and the queen won't be able to survive. So eventually, hopefully, it will die. So this is working great so far. For a matter of like a couple minutes, I've got about 20 bees in there. It's sucking them up. So it's been about maybe 20 minutes. There's tons of bees flying by it. They don't know what to make of it. And they just keep going, getting sucked in. There's 2 entrances. I keep moving it from one entrance to the other. This one seems to be the more active entrance, but they'll fly around it and eventually go right by the head of that and get sucked in because that's where the entrance is. And this is what we got so far. Probably about 25-30 bees. I imagine if the hive is probably maybe 100, 150. So if I keep at this and just leave it on all day, they're pretty much bound to all get in there. So hopefully this video works and it's a live bee catcher. Thanks for watching.